Let's talk about this beautiful color, Nutella Buttercream. This is a light brown and light auburn blend with copper blonde highlights. You can see them here, and they are throughout the style. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Devocion, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry this wig in all of the beautiful BelleTress salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now, when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.